Pink in have one man, pink in have two man, pink in have three man, pink in have four.
A drag.
Come in there banking, man. Stubborn. Now hurry up. See me call the ride reach before we reach again. Hurry up and go on.
We are go.
Mickey, yes, Miss not telling you your chat too much. Hurry up, make sure you reach home by the time you come back.
Jamaican come.
Go on home, start walk. Run.
Make $100 now.
Yo, Pinky brother.
Eh?
Where Pinky there? Tell me Pinky there now.
Oh, me alone.
You know talk to me.
No.
Where Pinky?
This Pinky kind of man car a while ago. Yeah, Pinky kind of man car a while ago.
What you gonna do?
Me no know. And car man come film.
Which car?
Which
car?
One blue car.
One blue car?
Yeah, and it fast.
And it fast?
One Uber car.
So what you tell us?
Eh?
What you tell us?
Say go on down.
You not tell her where I
Catch
go?
them angry.
Yeah. So you not tell her where I go?
Nah.
No, but tell him some question, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, so I tell us you inform on him.
Yeah.
Good on. Done. I know I'm see you back on the road here.
Yeah.
Alright, so look more.
Yeah.
Yo, daddy say if you come clean out the house. Clean out, wipe out
today. I hear day, brother. I'm not clean out.
So why if I'm idea?
I hear day today.
Daddy say you go clean
No,
out.
I'm not clean the house.
Get up and clean the thing, brother. You know, you cannot talk back to daddy and not talk back to... I'm a bigger one, yeah?
My business is what bigger
I'm a
one.
bigger one, yeah?
You
clean out that, man. And talk like you're a bad boy.
I'm not clean the house, brother.
Clean, alright, don't clean out your seat, daddy don't lick you in your face.
Daddy who?
When he lick you in your face, I'm going to help him lick you in your face, yeah? Actually, you get second from you think you're a bad boy. You lick you in your face, yeah?
You want me go with Clifton, I'll be Clifton, call Clifton for him.
No, call Clifton. Call Clifton. You know how long me and daddy want to kill Clifton? Ramp with me.
Yo, brother, are you near me KFC out of fridge?
Which KFC?
Brother, are you near me KFC? Are you near me KFC?
Alright, if me near me KFC, and what?
We are near me KFC for that.
what?
KFC for me, brother.
So why if that?
Brother, nobody touch me KFC, brother.
Winston, come hold this. Winston, come hold this. So you don't want to
Me lick you.
No, ramp with me, girl. What's up? Come on, man. Come on, man. Me show you. God, daddy now beat you from with you. I show you who me is. Yeah,
You
look
can't lick me because I call Clifton for you.
You call him.
You call Clifton and he uncle for you. Uncle.
Walk on in a me yard. Stop. Stop it. Stop that.
Beat him. I him thumping in your face.
Shut your mouth. What kind of word is it? You saw you lick me on my nose with a while ago, Jaffe. We're not supposed to live in a unity. Why every other brother or sister can live good, but who know if you are war.
I'm not going to be case you to fridge and...
Tell him no one else is sorry, man. Tell him sorry, Jaffe.
I am sorry. I am sorry, Marvin.
Tell him sorry now, Marvin.
I am sorry.
No, how can one another now? Backside. You know, live in a unity, man. Me they don't panic now and be a war.
What? You can't stop me. Me have shield. Me have shield on me.
You can't.
Me have invisible
But
shield.
them I wonder we are going to stab up his shield.
Jaffet, you can't stop me.
I mean, if we can't
Oh,
stop
if
them,
you stab
man.
his shield, I'm invisible.
Come, look. Remember, say two of them. Man, they lick me on my finger.
You can't lick me.
Me tired too. Me I go for back juice.
We are going to come back. If you stab invisible shield.
Take time, drinky back juice before you throw. Where you go? Go back, go in your yard. Go back, go play with Marvin. You not worry about Marvin. Marvin are going yard.
No, me not going to me yard.
Shut up. Go by your yard, Marvin. Walk to that.
All right, Pop.
Tell Marvin later.
Later, Marvin. Later, Jaffet.
You know, play Friday. Friday, what you do Friday? Go in your yard, man. Nobody go back outside.
Every time me have fun, Pops says me and me.
Where you say I want to go?
Nothing, Pops.
Juan, come.
Hey, me know say him daddy and come back from foreign.
Hold on.
You see him all close and still away.
Remember that shoes, yeah, man. Remember that shoes.
rent over here, so.
Yeah? Two. I say, in fact, when you see all furniture, them. You know?
Like a carpenter over there as well. I fix up the kitchen.
Is the kitchen there?
Yeah, because me say kitchen the mash.
We
Yes, yeah, red ants living.
Chichi does. Me here say, in a old furniture, the man put in a house and rent the people. Mama, look who come down the road.
Can't make people know say I chat with them.
No.
What? No, man. What? Little girl can't change, man.
Stop it. What's the next man? Next man. Yes, sir, no.
I'm a big deal.
Not a meal deal.
Pinking have 1 man, pinking have 2 man, pinking have 3 man, pinking have 4, pinking have 5 man, pinking have 6 man, pinking have 7 man, pinky have more.
Where you go?
We are waiting upon me for sir. You're a stranger. I don't talk to stranger.
Where you go? Where Pinky there? Where Pinky there?
Me no know.
Where you take food there? Where Pinky?
Me no know where Pinky there.
So you better tell me make you know.
Pinky over here that cry. You know?
Yeah,
She that cry. Cause she go do her learner's test today. And he say and he say, what sign you see at roundabout? And she say you turn. Don't cut this speed.
Where is?
Eh?
Where is he?
You're fast. Excuse.
Pinky full of man, pinky have
Always a
pinky full
problem.
of
So you have to hold
Are you
like.
stubborn?
pinky full of pinky have man
Oh,
over
me like
there,
oh,
man
man,
over
oh,
here,
man,
man
oh,
in the
man.
air,
Are you
man in
not
the atmosphere. Fair.
Always a hold.
I walk up to.
And then, and who you? You have $100. You have $100. You have $100. You have $100, you know. Yeah, you feel when you. What about that? Come back home. Yo.
Anything my brother say that man work with.
Oh, yeah, drive car around, bro.
Hey, Pinky, brother. Pinky, come with me, yeah.
Why not?
Yeah. Me Pinky, I come.
Yeah, no.
Come here.
You know him?
He broke like a black clock.
You ain't a drive car.
Me not take a lick, Marvin. Brother, are you starting, man? So we are lick me for. Brother, top ramping. Me need to be Marvin. Jacob! You think I like last time this Jacob? You need to Jacob. Make him back in my face. Flick him back. I'm me alone, Philip, my brother. Yeah, Jacob. Yeah, I just think I like last time. I frightened me last time. You beat up, Jacob. Stop ramping me, Jacob. Lick him back, Marvin. Don't stop ramping. I'm going for Jacob. Stop me alone, Philip. I'm me alone. Walk to instant. As me I say now, Marvin. Man, the bloody roof, Marvin. Shoot him now. So, why you not shoot him? Sit in the bullet or not? Man, the bloody roof. Give me the phone then. School, I'll come up in the next few weeks. I don't know, I'll study. I don't think I'll waste my money. I'm a talk about what is 5 times 2. Everyone! Please! Enough! pound. Now kill me off.
Remember for watch your blood pressure, not now, son.
Yes, Sally Bunch. I go and fix on a business. We don't know waste my money. Read.
Magna, sir, come let me make you calm down.
Alright, darling.
Pinky have man over there, man over here, man in the air and man in the atmosphere. Fair, fair, fair.
Hey boy, you know you miss a four.
Now take Pinky say you short off for me.
No, you can't tell her, me buy you soda. Me buy you soda, you can't.
Oh yeah.
Hold on now, who this man? I ain't come to you, but you know him.
You know him, your friend.
No.
Come and grab me. Man.
I boss you, I boss your short.
In my baby.
Yeah, mine a bossy man.
Him brain never done download yet. He still stuck a baby stage.
You don't look so.
Pinky.
So you might get on the offer.
Pinky actor? Oh. Pinky up a yard. Yeah. Pick up a yard.
Oh, so Pinky come too. Oh, remember say me buy you bigger. Where you go?
Oh yeah.
Eh.
Come back and shop here.
Eh.
I'm gonna find back with her. Then they mix up your alphabet when you're the little.
Yo, come here, man. Go on, no.
Me, I tell you, just follow back with you.
Top for the back.
You can't have a chat.
Go in that car, no, brother.
You're not going first.
Go in that car, brother.
No,
Me want the NIC, brother.
No, me want the NIC.
Me have motion sickness.
Me
brother.
have Miguel disease
But-
sickness. Stop, no!
Go in that car, brother.
No,
Go in that car, brother.
no, you first.
On top, me not go in that car, brother. You don't know sandwich me. Me
Well,
have bigs. Me have to depend on this shop. Well, as simple as that.
we not go nowhere.
But me have motion sick. Me have to get the breeze for the window.
Me not go in there
I
first.
better go in that car, brother.
Stop, no!
Brother, one care, brother. Brother, me beat up your blood stain. Man, no come in a blasted car.
Alright, uncle.
Bitch, you.
Pinky have one man, Pinky have two man, Pinky have three man, Pinky have four, Pinky have five man, Pinky have six man, Pinky have seven man, Pinky have more, Pinky have man, Pinky full of man, Pinky have man and Pinky full of man, Pinky have Pinky.
Yeah, do that's all.
A Pinky you come to.
Eh, I wish you there.
Oh, me don't know Pinky there.
I wish you there.
No,
Yeah, sure.
I don't know Pinky there.
I wish you there.
Pinky I got soaking with later. She'll get ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, she not Adam and not you because she say you always borrow your friend can act like a fear. She say you're broke. I ain't like beard.
Alright.
Yeah.
Tell Pinky say, want about my money.
What?
Tell Pinky say, want about my money.
Me know me ginger, me now go deliver that them cheese there.
Yeah, if you deliver, I give back bigger then.
You know if you can't take back something we come for your eye.
I mean, why? Give back bigger. You know, tell Pinky what I say. I want to make us.
No, you can't go first, Marvin. Let me go first, Let me go first, brother.
Me unfair, Jaffe.
Me can't unfair.
Bro, everything we go on the seesaw, you want to go first. You go on the sing song, you want to go. Let me go first.
Me know you not go first. Let me go first. Cause me a bigger one. Stop. Move. What?
Jacob,
Yeah,
me go be your friend, yeah?
that be my friend.
Me nah be Jaffe's friend again.
Alright, be my friend.
Me nah be your friend. Too unfair, Jaffe.
What you mean me unfair? Me not be unfair.
No, Jacob, me your friend. Yeah, Jacob, me your best friend.
So you not be me.
No, me nah, you know.
So me are you no friend?
No, me ain't no friend.
Why me are
We
you no
not be
friend?
friend now.
Why
I
me
know
are
you
you?
come on me yard complain on my game.
You serious?
Yeah. You not be my friend. Me not be your friend.
What me do for you now and be my friend?
Yeah.
You tell that the pan me a big idiot, man. Look how Marvin over there saw ramp with Jekyll. not be my friend.
No, me not be your friend.
Me not care. Me I go play a yard. I not get no food where daddy cook a yard.
Go on in your yard, me no want none of your food. Me mommy cook food.
You still really not be my friend? Then cool, bruh.